Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Spanish Town Depot, the JUTC Spanish Town Depot. And we are going to give you an update on the fuel theft problem that's happening at this depot. Now the government says that they have put into place measures that will curtail the theft of diesel fuel. And it seems to be working, as the government projects they are going to save $1.3 billion this year. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company is reporting that pilferage and unauthorized fuel extraction have been significantly curtailed at specific depots as a result of anti-siphoning measures implemented. Minister Honorable Darrell Vaz said the JUTC has reported a notable drop in diesel deliveries to the Spanish Town Depot. As of February 14, 2025, compared to previous months, a movement of 227,754 litres or 7 loads moved down to 127,000 litres or 4 loads. We are looking for the first time of finally dealing with the issue of fuel theft, not only by prosecutions but by the efficiency of introducing new technology, which is a compressed natural gas, CNG, he said. In addition, Minister Vaz said this will allow the company to optimize fuel usage for its intended operations. Mr. Vaz said information from the JUTC suggests that the actual fuel usage rate has dropped significantly, reflecting more controlled and accountability fuel consumption practices. We are looking at possible cost reductions of $1.3 billion this year if the trends continue. We are not only buying new buses, we are dealing with legacy issues that have plagued the JUTC, he said. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Now, the addition of the CNG buses wouldn't affect the Spanish Town Depot because this depot cannot fuel the CNG buses, not yet. They have plans to put in the CNG plants. But as of today, the only depot that can fuel the CNG buses is Portmore. So all the new CNG buses that come into the island have to go to the Portmore depot. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.